Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about a metal you may not have heard of, but one that is becoming critical to the clean energy economy, praseodymium. Praseodymium is one of the so-called magnet metals. It's used together with neodymium to make powerful permanent magnets, which are essential for electric vehicle motors and wind turbines. These magnets are unmatched in efficiency and performance, which is why praseodymium has become so strategically important. Now, let's look at the price story. After surging more than 160% in 2021, praseodymium spent the next 3 years correcting, losing about half its value. But in 2025, the market turned sharply upward again. Prices have already risen nearly 50% this year. This is not just speculation, it's real market dynamics at work. First, China has tightened quota management and become less transparent about production levels, which creates uncertainty and drives buyers to pay more for secure supply. Second, US mine output has been redirected away from China. When MP Materials stopped sending material to Chinese refiners, it left processors short on feedstock, triggering a sharp increase in oxide prices. And third, demand continues to rise. Electric vehicles and wind turbines are scaling up globally, and in Europe, governments are now legislating supply chain resilience for rare earths. So what about the outlook? Looking out to 2030, new projects in Australia, North America, and even Brazil and Greenland are slowly moving forward, but they take years to develop. In the meantime, China remains the dominant producer and separator, managing supply with policy tools rather than building new mines. That keeps the market tight and generally supports higher prices. On the demand side, the story is straightforward. EVs and wind turbines are here to stay. Even if engineers manage to use slightly less magnet material in each unit, the overall growth in production means that total demand for praseodymium will continue to climb. Substitution efforts exist, but so far none have reached real commercial substance. For investors, the key point is this. Praseodymium is not just a paper asset. It is a tangible, industry-grade material that can be sold back to industry at any time. The combination of structural supply risk and long-term demand growth makes it one of the more compelling rare earths for a long-term hold. The recent rebound suggests there's more upside than downside potential over the next 5 years. Yes, volatility is part of the picture, but the overall trend is constructive. If you'd like to learn more or see the latest prices and charts, visit our website at strategicmetalsinvest.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next update.